Yeah.
You want to go? Go record it. Go.
Gotta make sure all their hair's away.
No! You should give him one of your brochures, Lisa.
Nah, I think this is fine. This is funny.
You're mean.
That's why we're recording it. Like Aaron's facing it.
You're squishing me.
Get along, cowboy.
No.
No?
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes?
No.
Yes?
This is gonna be on for hours.
It is.
Days, I think.
6 days.
1, 2, 3 a la
8 weeks.
What? No.
One more time, Aaron.
Leave me alone.
Well, it's been only going on for 1 minute and 20 and 40 seconds.
Ow, you're gonna hurt my neck.
Good.
What did you say?
No.
Yay! Oh, I'm blind. You need more light. Closer. Now I'm close. This is going on for days.
Go, Ethan, go.
Hey, let me get closer. It's all blurry. Give it a rest. I mean, I'm getting... Oh,
How old are you again, Adrian?
8.
You want to be my 8-year-old boyfriend? Yeah? Yeah? He would
Stop
love
it, Adrian. Yeah.